must become learning organization. But taking consistent action is not just about repetition, although it sounds like that. It's about evolution, because you become a learning organization. And when I say learning organization, I'm not just talking about PDI as a whole. I'm speaking to all the operators and the vendors that are represented here, and I'm speaking to each and every one of you as individuals. You must become learning organization. You must become skilled at creating, acquiring, and transferring knowledge. Modifying your behavior based on this new knowledge, because what would be the point of getting all this knowledge, attending all these classes, learning from the instructors and your fellow vendors and operators, learning things in the hallways, and then you don't apply them? A waste of time, right? So you have to find a way to apply that knowledge. So our team, as I mentioned to you before, we learned to push bobsleds from the Americans. So we took that knowledge and we applied it to what we knew about sprinting. And in 3-4 short months, we're at the Olympic Games pushing the 7th fastest start time. We continue to learn, we continue to evolve. 6 years later, we're at the Olympics in 1994, Lillehammer, Norway, 14th from 30 in the 4-man event, beating the Russians, the French, the Italians. Want to know where the Americans finished? 15th. But we continue to evolve, right? Again, an example of learning new information, but applying it, transferring that knowledge to what you do. When you choose to be a learning organization, you begin to grow, and you begin to build the capacity within yourselves as individuals, within the people on your team, and in the organization as a whole. It really provides you with the ability to adapt quickly, to learn continuously, so that you can maximize the opportunities. Most people, when they find themselves in a complex environment, all they see are problems, challenges. People who are learning, who are adapting quickly, see opportunities, and so you're able to maximize them.